Have you ever taken your blood pressure at home and thought, wait, can I even trust this number? Yeah, we have all been there staring at that little screen, hoping it's accurate. Today, we are talking about one of the most talked about home monitors out there, the Omron Platinum. But is it really worth the higher price? Let's find out. If you are managing high blood pressure, you know how important those daily readings are. They are not just numbers, they are your body's early warning system. And honestly, using a monitor that gives you reliable results could mean catching up problems before they get serious. So in this video, I will walk you through what makes Omron Platinum stand out, the merits, the demerits, and whether it's really the best fit for your home use. If this is the first time you are watching me, thank you. My name is Nicholas. I am a pharmacy practitioner. So here is what makes Omron Platinum blood pressure machine stand out from the rest. Number one, its first impression. Let us start with what you see right out of the box. The Omron Platinum looks, it is premium. The design feels solid, the curves comfortable, and the display is super clear and bright. No guessing. Even my patients who are seniors love how easy it is to read. But here is where it gets interesting. It doesn't just look fancy. This thing is built with precision. So at this point, allow me to remind you this. I know the business of this life can make it hard to remind your loved ones to take their medications on time. Or maybe it's even you who sometimes forgets. That's why I offer a personalized medication reminder service to help you stay consistent and healthy. Through friendly WhatsApp messages or quick phone calls, I'll remind you or your loved ones to take their pills, refill prescriptions, and even keep track of blood pressure readings, okay? It is simple, caring, and pharmacist guided because every dose matters. So if you would like me to help you or someone close you to stay on track, just send me a message or a comment, just write, remind me, and I will personally reach out to get you started. Number two, its accuracy. Now, Omron has a strong reputation in the blood pressure world, and hospitals even use their technology. The Platinum uses what they call advanced accuracy technology, which basically means it takes multiple readings in one go and gives you an average. That reduces those weird spikes or drops that sometimes happen if you move or breathe funny during the tests. So if you've ever wondered, why does my BP jump from 125 to 142 in the same minute? That helps to smooth that out. Number three, it has smart features that offers convenience that counts. The Platinum connects to the Omron Connect App via Bluetooth, and I'll be honest, when it works, it is great. You can track your readings over time, spot patterns, and even share your results with your doctor. No more scribbling on paper logs, okay? But the app can sometimes be a bit glitchy. Nothing major, but if you are not tech savvy, it may take a moment to set up. Number four, it offers comfort and ease of use. The cuff is designed for an accurate fit. Even if your arm size varies a bit, it automatically adjusts and gives an error warning if you move too much. Plus, it stores up to 200 readings, which is perfect if you are just tracking trends with your spouse or your family member. So, for seniors or anyone who just wants to sit, press, and go, it is spot on, okay? Number five, the price question. Is it worth it? Here is the honest truth. The Omron Platinum is not cheap. You'll find plenty of budget blood pressure monitors for half the price. But, and this is big, but what you are really paying for here is trust. Trust that your readings are accurate, consistent, and medically reliable. Because, let us face it, if your monitor can't be trusted, what's the point of using it every day? So, if you are serious about keeping your blood pressure in check, I will say yes, it's worth it, especially if you've had inaccurate or inconsistent monitors in the past. That's when it hits you. This isn't just another gadget, it's a small piece of mind. Because those numbers on your screen, they are not just statistics, they are your health story unfolding in real time. And if one reliable device can help you stay a step ahead, that is priceless. Honestly, That's why I recommend this one, okay? If you are thinking about getting the Omron Platinum blood pressure monitor, I'll leave a link down below so you can check the latest price on Amazon. It may even be on the sale right now. If you are already using a home monitor, tell me in the comments below. Do you trust your readings or do they sometimes feel off? I will love to hear your experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more pharmacist-backed tips on managing blood pressure naturally and safely, okay? Stay consistent, stay hopeful, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of that heart. Bye.